So now we are going to assemble the trunk box. All the rest of the hardware is all for the trunk box. The metal support strips, the rubber supports, your rubber trunk box supports, 4 washers, 4 bolts, and 4 nuts. All needed for the assembly of the trunk box. So, first thing you do, take your rubber protectors, slap them on here. These will protect the back rack and stop the trunk box from rattling. There. Once they are in place, I grab my 2 rubber strips. Those I place on either one of these between the screw holes. Then I take my metal strips. Metal strip I place over top. Line up the holes with the holes on the frame. There we go. Now, I always assemble these first so that I have access to them there and I don't have to assemble them while trying to do that. You take your long bolt, you put your washer through it. I do that with all 4 of them so they are ready and I can grab them and put them right in. Now, then you line it up. Like I said, with the washer already in, I don't have to do it now. It saves me time. So then, once I got one through, I just use my fingers again and tighten the nut onto it. So that way it's secured. So, then I'll grab another bolt. And if you have problems lining it up, same thing goes. Just give it a couple jiggles and it will find its way. Put all of the hardware through the holes and tighten with just your fingers before you try to tighten with the vice grips and with the screwdriver. Once all of the hardware has been installed, you get your screwdriver and your vice grips. Clamp your vice grips onto one of the nuts underneath. Take your screwdriver. Couple of turns. You do this with all 4 of your bolts. Once all 4 bolts are tight, your trunk box is now assembled. Now she is ready to go.